In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create tasks in ClickUp, and not just one way, but 3 different methods so you can work faster no matter where you are inside the app. ClickUp is one of the most powerful and versatile project management platforms available right now, and knowing how to quickly capture and add tasks is the absolute foundation of everything you'll do in it, from tracking solo projects to coordinating entire teams across multiple departments. If you find this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming ClickUp tutorials. And let's dive straight in. The first method is creating a task directly from a list, board, or calendar view. And this is probably the most intuitive starting point for most people. Begin by navigating to the specific space, folder, or list where you want your new tasks to live. ClickUp organizes everything in a clear hierarchy. Your workspace sits at the top, then spaces, then folders, and then lists. So always make sure you're inside the correct list before you create, because that's where the task will be stored by default. Once you're there, look toward the top right of the task table or the bottom of a board column, and you'll see a plus icon or a button labeled Add Task. Go ahead and click that. A quick entry bar appears where you can type the task name, and right from that same spot you can assign it to a team member and set a due date before pressing Create Task. The biggest advantage of this method is that it combines speed with precision. You're already operating inside the context where the task belongs, so there's no risk of accidentally dropping it into the wrong project, which matters enormously on larger workspaces with many active lists running in parallel. The second method is using the global Create button, and this one is incredibly useful when you don't feel like navigating to a specific view first, or when you're context switching between multiple projects and need to capture something quickly without losing your train of thought. Look at the top toolbar of your ClickUp workspace. You'll see a button labeled Create or a large prominent plus icon, depending on your version of the app. Click it and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Task from the list of options. Here's where this method really shines. You'll see a field called Where or a location dropdown, and this gives you complete control over which space, folder, or list the task should belong to. That step is critical. Always set the location intentionally rather than leaving it on whatever the default happens to be, because misplaced tasks are one of the most common sources of confusion in shared workspaces, and hunting them down later wastes far more time than it takes to place them correctly now. From there, fill in a description, assign tags to help with filtering later, and set a priority level. ClickUp uses urgent, high, normal, and low as its 4 tiers. Then hit Create. One pro tip: use the description field generously. Leaving it blank is perfectly fine for simple reminders, but for any task that involves more than one step or might be picked up by someone else on your team, a short description saves your future self and your colleagues a tremendous amount of guesswork and unnecessary back and forth. The third method is the one most people overlook entirely, and it is surprisingly powerful. Creating a task directly from the search bar. Click the search bar at the very top of your workspace, the one with the magnifying glass icon. And instead of searching for an existing item, type the phrase Create New Task and press Return or Enter on your keyboard. ClickUp interprets this as a direct command and immediately opens a task creation window right where you are. From there, you can name the task, assign it to someone, and choose the list it belongs to, all without navigating away from whatever you were looking at. This method is especially well suited for keyboard-driven workflows, where you want to stay in a state of focus and keep mouse clicks to a minimum. It may feel a little unusual at first, but once it becomes muscle memory, you'll reach for it constantly, particularly during live planning sessions or calls when you need to capture action items on the fly without breaking your concentration. A few habits worth building from the very beginning of your ClickUp journey. Get comfortable assigning a priority level the moment you create a task. It adds 1 second to the process, but makes your lists dramatically easier to triage when things get busy and everything starts competing for attention at once. Always assign tasks to a specific person rather than leaving them unassigned. Items without an owner have a way of quietly sitting untouched for weeks because everyone assumes someone else will handle it. And put due dates on things even when the deadline feels loose. Even a soft target gives your workflow a steady rhythm and stops important work from slipping silently off your radar. So to recap, you now know 3 solid, reliable ways to create tasks in ClickUp. You can work in context by navigating to a list, board, or calendar view and clicking the plus button directly. You can use the global Create button in the top toolbar for full location control from anywhere in the app. And you can fire up a task creation window instantly using the search bar with a simple typed command. Each method has its moments, and having all three in your toolkit means the interface will never slow you down regardless of where you happen to be working. From here, a natural next step is to explore ClickUp's task templates, which let you save a pre-configured task structure and deploy it with a single click. A real time saver for recurring workflows like weekly reports or client onboarding. You might also look into automations, which can create tasks for you automatically based on triggers you define, so certain work captures itself. Save this video and come back to it whenever you need a refresher, and I'll see you in the next one.